If you feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of tabs, meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Mindrift.ea. This is the homepage. As you can see, here we have first information, but before that let's know what is Mindrift. So Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving AI, composed of AI tutors, freelance expert writers and editors committed to innovation and excellence, leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. And we have here other information, you can just read it. Then we have here each tools. You can choose what you want here: writer, editor, domain expert, and we have here editors also. As you can see here, we have our first information like innovation drives AA's capabilities, work part-time in a novel day. You can just collaborate, join forces with fellow professionals are under the guidance of experienced team leads. Then be flexible, enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule that respects your primary professional commitments. Then the last one is explore AA projects, and you can read it to more understand. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is scroll down. But before that, we have your first information like the benefits of Mindrift. So why should you try it? So first, it's flexible. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits in perfectly with my career. Then we have great community. Like I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are all really kind and helpful. Then the last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. And here we have some things like about Mindrift, get started, qualification, then pay, and hour. How much hour you can work to earn money and how much. Then we have here to apply. All I have to do is first click over apply now. So we have your writer, editor, domain experts, and expert annotator. So the first one is writer. I will show you how you can apply now with writer. Then I will show you how you can earn money with it. So first of all, you click over apply now. All you have to do is write your first name, last name, email, then phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over here those things if you are agree. Then you submit the application. So about writer, to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ai, you can leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. So the first way is content creation and freelance creation like articles and blog posts. And the second one is self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. And the third one is copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales pages, and also content marketing. The fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry and script writing. Then the fifth one is affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content also. Then the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So this is way how you can earn money as a writer. Then if you are an editor, all I have to do is scroll down and click over apply now and editor. So I'll show you how you can apply with editor and how you can earn money as an editor. So you write your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, then your country, then your LinkedIn profile, personal website, then you click over these two things. If you are really like, I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that I will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. And the second one, I confirm that I have read and understand the Mindrift's privacy notice, and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. Then you submit the application. So right now I will give you some ways to earn money with Mindrift as an editor. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ai to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift. So the first one is freelance editing service like copy editing, developmental editing, and the second one is content review and feedback like manuscript review, and the third one is editorial consulting like author coaching, content strategy consulting also, and the fourth one is content creation and management like creating anthologies, managing editorial projects, and the fifth one is educational services like editing guides and ebooks, and the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. So this is it how you can use Mindrift to earn money as an editor. So right now let's apply with domain expert. So you click over apply now and you write your first name, then your last name, then your email, phone number, country, and select in profile, personal website. Then you click over those things if you are agree. So and the last step is submit application. So how you can earn money as a domain expert. So you have just to specialize knowledge and sorry in a particular file, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. The first one is consulting and advisory services like consulting. The second one is content creation and publishing like writing articles and books, online courses and workshops. And the third one is speaking engagement and webinars like public speaking, webinars and online events. The fourth one is expert witness and legal like consulting, expert witness, and the fifth one we have coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and masterminds, and the sixth one is developing and selling like specialist products, proprietary tools and resources specialist also, and the seventh one is affiliate marketing and sponsorship like product review and endorsement. Last one is academic and research opportunities like teaching and academy and grant and funding. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by tapping into creative and intellectual pursuits, whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, our entrepreneur Mindrift.ai can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work by leveraging its tools and features. You can efficiently produce high-quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. The platform's ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an infallible resource for turning your skills and creativity into profitable venture. With Mindrift.ea, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.